Hi friends, I'm Sharath. I'm a progressive farmer. Since 2 years, I'm doing the farming. Today, we will see watermelon farming process from seed to harvest. Generally, what are the different stages of that watermelon farming, and what are the seeds available? What is the fertilizer? And what are the different types of pests attacking in watermelon? And what are the different types of fungus attacks? And what about that harvesting? And finally we will see that yield calculations and all. Generally this watermelon, botanically watermelon is known for citrus lanthus, and it is belong to cucurbit family. Generally that cucumber, pumpkin all comes into this family only. The crop duration generally it will take from 80 to 90 days. Now, most of the regions in the world, we will get it from 17 to 90 days roughly. This is the winter crop for summer harvesting. Everyone likes the watermelon eating and all. In the sense, first of all, we need to plow the land carefully one or two times. After that, we need to apply the basal dose of fertilizer. In that, what we have to go for 10, 26, 26, 100 kg per an acre, and SSP single super phosphate powder for 150 kg, MOP muriate of potash for 25 kg, neem fertilizer 300 kg, magnesium sulfate for 25 kg, ferrous sulfate for 10 kg, zinc sulfate for 10 kg, bentonic sulfur for 15 kg, humic granules for 10 kg, forate for 10 kg, and blue copper for 2 kg. We need to mix these at the time of ploughing only. After that, we need to arrange the dripping channels. The distance between the dripping channel to channel, the horizontal distance is 5 to 6 feet, and the plant to plant distance is near about, sometimes we have to keep it for 2 feet also, because it grows in larger areas. Okay, after that, after seedling, it will germinate in 9 to 10 days. We will get that first germination. This is the first stage. Okay, this is the germination stage. Second stage is that growth stage. In that growth stage, after 15 days onwards up to 30 days, we will get in that growth stage. Now the figure you are seeing, the screen you are seeing now, it is at 15th day. After 15th day onwards, now it is 15 to 20 day, we will get that vein processing and all. Generally we will see seeds. What are the seeds available in India? Many more seeds are available. Actually two types. Okay, one is round type and one is ice box type. Ice box type is very famous in cities like Bangalore, Mumbai, Hyderabad, and all. Generally the fruit weight will come up to 3 kg to 5 kg. The seeds per 1 acre, generally we will go for 3 kg to 3.5 kg. For 50 gram pack, we are getting near about 1200 seeds. Generally, in dripping purpose, now the seeds required is near about 5000 to 6000 seeds enough for. Per single plant, we will get 2 to 3 fruit. At the time, at 30th day, before 30th day, if we cut that vein, means we will get the side branches. In each branch, we will allow one fruit. After that, we will see what are the different type of pest attacking. At the time of pest, first of all, we need to discuss with that seed treatment. If we done the seed treatment, most of the problems will sort it out at the early stage only. The thing is that we have to do seed treatment with two things. One is for insecticides. Actually we are doing for that gouch, and second is for fungicide means that jalora we are doing, actually that is having that strobin group. What are the uses of this seed treatment and all? After doing the seed treatment up to 15 to 20 days, we can't get any attacks of sucking pests like aphids, jassids, and whitefly and all the stuff. Even that stem cutter, the cutworms we are calling it, they also won't attack, even though we are adding that neem cake in that soil na, so we are lucky to save our plant from these gerbs and all. Okay, after that, after adding that fungicide, what exactly happen means we won't get the initial stages of that fungus attacks. Okay, like that generally what will happen if you are giving much more water in flood irrigation kind of thing, generally the root rot will come. Okay, suddenly the plant will die. For that, okay, what is the reason behind that means the Phythomonas, one fungus was there in soil, that will attack. Okay, suddenly the wilting will happen. So for that saving from that plant, we have to apply copper oxychloride. That is what we are getting from market, is that name is Blyotax. Okay, after that we will see for the pest, generally we will get the cabbage looper. It is it will attack at initial stage. Sometime we will go for cutworms, sometimes we will go for melon caterpillars. Melon caterpillars are a bit dangerous. It will hide under the tree, and it will start attacking at the time of the fruiting and all. Only these are the major things. Okay, generally we will go for fame, bear and all. Okay, these are enough for controlling these kind of things. Okay, the first and priormost thing is that for every 1 week, for every 10 days, you have to repeat one fungicide application, one pesticide application, any small range insecticides you can apply. After that we will go for the fungus. Okay, generally many more fungus will attack this watermelon crop. The first one is that bacterial blight. Okay, we will get some spores on that flowers and all. Okay, for doing this we have to go for mancozeb spraying, we will get it. After that we will go for downy mildew. It is very dangerous one. After attacking the downy mildew, it will attack by air and water. Our plant leaves will turning in yellow, and it is going to be curling upwards. This is also a bit dangerous one for getting from. We will go for Preoxer or Adaxer from BSF or Cadbrio top. After that, the mostly at this winter time we are getting for powdery mildew. It is also a bit danger one. The powdery mildew is very danger. We are getting white spots, and generally actually we are getting these kind of powdery mildew attacks in some small places only we are getting. For this we will grow for Marivan BSF is good, or Amistar top. Actually I shown in that video. These are the general fungus effects we will get in this plant. At the time of early stages, even some small beetles, okay, flea beetles we will call. Okay, they will also have some attack on this plant. Okay, they are very good at the initial stage only. They will attack on our plant, and they will do some holes in our small plants and all. Once the plant will mature enough, or once it will reach the 20 to 30 days, then their attack will get reduced. After that, what we have to do for, we have to go for at the time of flowering stage, we have to go for spraying of 13045 or 20% boron or zinc sulfide. We have to go. Yeah, what is the reason behind that boron and all? Now we will get female flowers more. If once the female flowers were more, then only we will get good harvest and all. Even at the time of hot seasons, the fruit cracks we will see. Okay, actually this may happen because of high temperature and all. For that we have to go for calcium nitrate. We need to release that in through drip per acre 1 kg. The major problem is that fruit fly. Okay, that fruit fly also attacks the watermelon much more. For that we have to go for the traps and all, and we will spray for malathion kind of thing. Okay, once that raining or more, okay, when our plant veins are logged in the water and all, that time we will get that bacterial blouch curcum. That is one kind of bacterial disease. The inside the fruit, it will get on damaging. Okay, on the top surface we will get some black false kind of thing. Here in this picture you see the flower initiation is there. We have to keep only one flower per a single vein, so that we will get good amount of weight and all. Generally per every week you need to release at initial stages 28. Okay, that is water soluble fertilizer through dip we have to release. After that, once that our plants will reach for 20 days or 20 to 30 days, then we will go for 19. At the time of flower initiation, we will go for 13045, that is potassium nitrate. At the time of the fruit setting and all, we will go for 0050. That is also very good for For using that, no, we will get very good shape of the fruit and very good taste of the fruit. So we need to go for 0050 also for spraying and all. Generally this is very simple crop. We will get this crop in sometimes it is in 70 to 80 days. Actually the two type of colors were there. One is black and green, the top side, and inside generally most of the things are in pink color only, reddish one. Some companies like No Use Seeds India Private Limited, they are coming with Anmol, Suprajit and different fruits were there. They are having some inside green color, yellow and pink color. They are looking very attractive, but we won't get that good marketing in our local area, so that we are going for this light green color fruits only. Actually these seeds are costing about, No Use Seeds, if you go for Kiran 2 and all, 50 grams pack was near about 1650 rupees. And if you go for Syngenta one, the sugar queen, it will cost about 2500. Sometime we will get this Narmadari and the different kinds of seeds we will get in 350 rupees to 1800 rupees. Up to this is the variation. Whatever the seeds you will take, you have to take that good quality, good company seeds. Then it is very easy for us to get the good crop. For per an hectare, we will get near about 25 to 30 tons we will get that harvest. The harvest means per acre, if you see, sometimes we are getting up to 15 to 20 also. If you are going to get 20 means, generally here people are taking, the buyer are taking for 7 rupee per kg to sometime it is going up to 15 rupee. On an average, if you take it as 10,000 per ton means 15 tons means 1,50,000 is your gross profit. For that, if you go and labor charge and all the charge, it will cost you near about 50,000 to you. Then you will easily get 1 lakh per 80 to 90 days. It is really good crop. We will get good amount of money. And lastly, the farmers having some doubts, okay, what are the, when to harvest the fruit, that is very important thing. Generally there are some signs were there. Some people, the buyer will come in, he will knock the fruit and he will check that sound, okay, that will come for hollow sound. Then he decided that the fruit is gets ready. Okay, how we are going to check means, the vein, okay, which connect to that fruit now, it is getting brown. Okay, at the tip it is getting brown. Then we will decide that the fruit is ready to harvest. In some cases, what exactly happens means, we need to check it up. Okay, the fruit which is lying on that sand, the land, okay, the color will change to lightish yellow. Okay, if it is become lightish yellow and a bit of whitish kind of thing, then we have to decide that the plant get ready for harvesting, get ready for harvesting and all. Okay, we have to do this harvesting only one time only, because after spraying for Planofix kind of things, okay, growth regulators and growth promoters were there. If you gonna apply that like Bayer Planofix and Syngenta SRBN kind of things, na, we will get continuous at a time harvest, and we will get equal size of fruits also. All fruits will come up to 3 to 5 kg only. That is the reason we have to go for growth hormones and some kind of growth promoters. If you apply for growth promoters and growth hormones at the time of flowering, it will cost you near about 1000 rupee extra for labor and all. Okay, it is not that expensive. Okay, we need to apply for that for getting good harvest and all. And one more thing, after fruit setting, it will take near about 35 to 40 days. If you calculate the days and all, na, then also you came to know that our fruit is going to harvest after near about 40 days. Here in this video, for understanding of my viewers, what I done at last, I attached some files, okay, 2 files which I written the day wide, okay, what are the schedule, whatever the fertigation schedule and all, I attached. If you go through that, you will understand what exactly I done, okay, what about my harvest and all. Okay, this is the beautiful crop, this is the loving crop. We will get handsome amount of money in Andhra, Maharashtra, Karnataka. Throughout the year we will cultivate this and we will harvest. People love to eat the fruit. The summer are coming, you people plan for do this farming. This is really fantastic. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you so much.